Okay, colleagues, good afternoon. And I yesterday we were talking about the Canva and how we are unable to get it to do what we want. So today I tried something and I want to share with you. So this is my Canva. When you open it, of course, it opens here. This is the home page. If you try to do anything here, it means you are going to do it yourself. For instance, if you try to create presentation, or even if you click on the create and you try to create a presentation, then it means you are going to create the presentation yourself. But if you want, for instance, you want um, ChatGPT or Claude to do something for you. So maybe let me take a topic in chemistry. Let's say periodicity or the periodic table. So generate notes on the periodic table based on the GS chemistry syllabus. So I do this and then I'll wait for the note. As soon as I get the note delivered, I can copy this and go to Canva and ask Canva to design PowerPoint based on the notes I have given. So far, I think that is the problem we are facing as to how we can generate the PowerPoint from Canva. So today I decided to generate or to try this in a video for us to try and follow. So now I have my notes. So I just copy my notes and then I go to my Canva. So this is Canva. So when you open the Canva, you have something like this. Don't go to create and don't come here and try to paste what you have copied. You are not going to get what you want. So what you do is that you scroll down to these three dots. You may click or just leave it, and then you come to Canva AI. Canva AI. This is where the work is done. Canva AI. So when you have Canva AI, then you can now paste what you copied and ask Canva to design a PowerPoint presentation based on the notes above. And that is where Canva will do its magic for you. And so the problem we've been facing is that we don't go to the Canva AI. I think the initial stage is where you want to design your own PowerPoint. So you have the formatting tools to design your own PowerPoint or a video or a social media, so whatever you want to. But if you want the Canva to do the presentation for you, then you have to go to Canva AI. So you see that it is still working so long as you have this box and it is so this is the outline of the presentation is going to design for me. So it gives you the outline, and if you are unhappy with it or if you want to make any changes, you see this pen, you click on it, but it doesn't allow me to edit because it is still generating. So after it has generated and you are not okay, or you want to preview what the Canva is going to give you, you can just click on that pen so that it allows you to edit. So you see that now I can edit it, but I don't want to do the editing now. I just want to go on straight. So I then ask it to generate the design. So it is now creating a presentation. It has already given me the outline, and I am supposed to have gone through the outline and be happy with it. If I wanted to make changes, I'll just make the changes from the outline. If I have a book, if I have any other AI that I want to compare, I could have just compared by clicking on the pen and allowing things to go on. So let's just wait for the presentation to be designed. In country. So this is what the AI says it has created for me. So the lesson of this is the important terms, the periods and groups with examples, electronic configuration classification. So all of these are what is entailed in the presentation, and yeah, the presentation is still being finalized. So let's just wait a while, a moment for exactly. So we have our presentation now. From here, you cannot download the presentation. So you have to open the presentation. So you double click on the presentation, then it will open into the Canva AI editor. So you use the Canva editor. Click on this, use Canva editor. And then after you have done that, so this is the title of it, the periodic table overview for SHS chemistry. You can present directly if you want to use Canva to do the presentation. If you use Canva to do the presentation, that is where you can get some transitions. There are some transitions that are available when you present using the Canva. Of course, it is online. So when you present with the Canva, you need internet. But you may also decide not to just want to download it. So you go to the share, you click on share. If you have other people who are working with you and you want to add them, you can just click add people and add them. And then you can change the access level. So anyone with the link, when you do that, whoever you give the link to can have access to your work online. But I want to download. So I download it not as a PNG, but I download it as a PowerPoint. I download it as a PowerPoint. You can also download it as a video. So you see that we have MP4 video, which is they say high quality video. You can do that, but you can also download it as a PDF. But I want it as a PowerPoint so that I can present. So I just download. So when I go to my downloads, okay, so it is now downloading. I was preparing. So it is downloading. After it has downloaded, when I go to my downloads, I'll find it there. So let's quickly go into my download folder, or let me just click here. So when I go into my download folder, you see that it is here. This is the this is what you have. This is it. So let me see. Okay, so this is the periodic table. You enable editing and finito. If you are okay with what you have, you can just keep it. If not, you can just edit it, increase the font size, etc., etc. So this is what I was talking about. It's good, oh, Charlie. I think we should all try and get used to this because if you are presenting this to anyone, I think whoever sees this will be very happy that it has. Yeah. So this is my. Um, you move to the next one. You move to the next one. It's very good. It's very good. Yeah. So, guys, this is what I've been able to do so far. If there is any question, feel free to call or just reply to this. Thank you very much. I think I'll upload this on YouTube and then I'll give you a link to the YouTube so that I can save it for other people also to watch the video and then try that. Thank you very much.